Well, here we go. Probably one of the best videos on YouTube. I'm back in the back of my car. It's probably the third time I've sat in it. I've just been out cleaning the glass, both inside and out, because, yeah, I get a bit obsessive with it getting dirty. I don't know why. But I was going to hang up a new air freshener. Now, this one is a Swizzles drumstick bubblegum. Yeah, it's not seriously. It is, but yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick update on where I'm at and what's going on. But first off, let's get this out of the package and get it installed. On the back of the package, you will actually see a perforated part of the cardboard there that allows you to open it up. Yeah, it's quite a simple opening process. There you go, a bit of brute force, take it on out. I've no idea if you have to activate it or whether you just let it hang up in your car. I can't smell anything as yet, so possibly, as there was no real instructions, well there were, but it just said a scented thing. Let's have a quick look, see if I can take the cap off with my left hand without spilling it. Yeah, I'm assuming this little plastic cap here, you won't be able to see it, will you? You take this bit off here, which I'm probably gonna, oh no, I did it. I just don't want to get it all over the seat of my car and stain it. Right, let's find somewhere to put this. Yeah, so with the plastic cap removed, you then put the wooden cap back onto the actual bottle lid. This is going to be really perilous to do with one hand. Right, so I cheated. I placed it on top with my right hand, because I'm actually right-handed, not left-handed. Screw that back on, make sure it's nice and tight. Now, apparently, in order to scent the piece of wood, you turn it upside down for 4 to 5 seconds. So that's 2, 3, 4, let's go for 5, maybe 6. And that should actually start to make the wood smell. Anyway, let's hang it up in the car, eh? There we go. Let's move back a bit. I've actually hung it up on here. I've untied it and retied the knot. There we go. You can see as it focuses. It smells sweet as shit, really. But there it is in the car. Yes, it was an install video for an air freshener, because somebody said, could I do it? The reason I put it on the driver's side is not because I smell. Well, I do, but I smell of various soaps and deodorants and things like that, because I'm a good boy. I wash every day, shower every day. But yeah, when you have the driver's window down, it doesn't affect it, because the vortex of the air comes into the car and comes around to the back of the passengers. And because I don't have the passenger's window down, I've put it here. Just to, yeah, kind of, it's just an aerodynamic thing. Don't worry. Anyway, what is there for me to do? Well, obviously, I was going to install my splitter. No, not this week. I'm just going to give the car a quick vacuum, check the coolant, check the oil. I did it all a couple of weeks ago, but I'm just going to do it again because it is a Focus ST. One thing I will say, touch wood, there's probably touch wood. As you would have seen in the previous video, I took the rear near side ABS sensor off the car, give it a clean, put it back in. I gave up on the driver's side, the offside. But so far, the code hasn't come back up on the car. Everything's been really good. There's no point showing it now because the car's not running, but I'll probably go out for a drive. I've probably done 300 miles since the last video. I've decided to just do some driving like you do. It has been, is it spring break, half term? So everybody's been doing 8 miles an hour in a 60 limit and 40 miles an hour in a 20 or 30 limit. It drives me nuts, it really does. Anyway, if you've experienced something similar, leave a comment down below. I know it's a really cheeky short video, but I am going for a little bit of rubbish at the minute, but I'll update when I know more, hopefully within the next month. But I've still got plenty to do with the car. Yeah, I've been working really hard. Well, I say really hard, 4 days a week. For those that know me really well, I've dropped one of my radio shows. I only do a specialty show now that goes out online. It's just, yeah, it was just all consuming. But anyway, Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a cheeky comment down below. Perhaps I should start reviewing chocolate and how crap it tastes. But who knows? Anyway, look, there's my neighbour's Suzuki Alto. I'd love to do a little car like that. Maybe it's time. Wow.